So they have not lost a rack here.
They have not lost a single series. At pag napasok niya, kakanta tayo ng Tantantining!
He is just taking the lead here.
And good break na naman.
Ito yung kombinasyon na sinasabi natin.
At nakatatlo na. Ito si Jocaresa.
There's the 3. And the 5 on the side pocket. And then,
Sa side nga kinuha.
sabay pihit. Ganda oh. Balik-balik na lang yan. Yung pihit. Ganda nung tira oh.
Oo. Ika nga ng ating mga movie trailers. One man. The 9. Ayan!
Yung sinasabi niyong lahat ng 3 racks niregalo lang sa akin, sabi ni Jocaresa.
Pero ito run out to.
Difficult shot ang may iwan dito para dito kay Pateros.
Pakiting na lang ito, although alam natin malamig. Si San Pedro.
Very good layout now.
When the Parañaque Kings went up against the Makati Titans, it was Mark Lloyd San Pedro ang ginamit.
Stop ball na lang to.
Konting atras lang yan.
Oo.
The reign of Jocaresa ends. And we have a new king from Parañaque.
No.
Nabati ako ng happy birthday. Saan nyo narinig na birthday ko ba?
Siyempre, sinabi ko on air kanina eh.
Loko mo talaga.
Oh, yan.
Uy! Dry break. Alam ko baliktad
Kung
eh.
nagkapalit sana, ang ganda.
Oo, pero ito, 1 ball for Edgy Geronimo. Well, this has to be very gentle shot.
Yan.
Yan.
Okay.
Overall champion ng season 1, but now he has found a new home with the Quezon City Dragon.
3 balls sa upper right corner. Prepare for the 4.
Suabe.
The opposite corner.
It looks like Geronimo has everything under control. He's the most veteran, of course, of this team. Diba? Si Jonas Magpantay.
Of course, our 10-ball champion. Si Demosthenes Pulpul. Bata pa lang ako. Narinig ko na yung pangalan.
Tsaka bata pa siya talaga na sumikat
Oo.
siya. Rodrigo Edgy Geronimo restores order para din sa kupunan ng Quezon City Dragons. Sobrang nipis niyan.
Na ano ko dito, Noel, nakita ko ginawa ni Efren yan. Ginamit
Ay,
na
super
yung
nipis.
kanto. Pinabalik na yung uno doon sa bandang 8-9.
Tama,
Nangyari
tama.
na yan, ginawa ni Efren yan.
Bag shot
Wow,
muna
what a
daw.
shot. First abbreviated match.
Ayan. All it took was 2 shots. Pwede niya palayuin niya pero wala na opensa papunta sa 9 unless Mukay Bat cooks up something.
Well, pwede niyang pahalikin sa 9 yung 2. Hindi, titinan niya dito, depensa.
Depensa.
Binaba niya dito.
Iyan. Talunan mo yan,
Great
ha?
shot. Have to see what this will dito, mama.
From the
Ay, mas
2.
madali nga naman kasi.
Oh,
Masyado
Q
kayo
pops
nagmamadali eh. O, di ba?
Ayan.
Kirida pala si 3.
Kaya nga eh.
Second
Yan.
abbreviated match of the night, Noel. Make a difference here para sa Parañaque
And
Kings.
he made an excellent point. Nobody wins 7-2
Correct.
in a race to 13. So this is not a push out. It's actually a defensive shot.
Yes.
Good contact.
Oh, wow.
Opensa
What
pa.
a-
Grabe.
A shot. Tatago ba niya yung cue ball and bring the 4 ball to the opposite short rail?
That's actually bankable. Tingnan natin if he does play offense here. Although manipis ang kuha niya.
Tatago niya sa 8, Noel. Great shot. Great shot by Mark Lloyd San Pedro.
Saan siya dadaan?
Come on!
Shot!
Come on! Kahit yung commentators, di namin nakita yun eh.
Another 2-rail kick. This will be the key shot of the rack. At humingi na nga ng extension ng Parañaque.
Let's see what kind of position he will do here for the 4. There's the
Short
draw.
side.
Great
Short
shot.
side. Wow.
Great shot.
With a calculation error.
5. 6 on the side pocket.
The only 2 players who have won tonight para sa kupunan ng Parañaque, itong si Reynald Salinel for his 3rd win. Dalawa lang silang nakakuha ng puntos. Banayar.
Yan.
For the first time tonight, back-to-back wins para sa kanya.
Ripe for the picking itong rack na to para sa Quezon City Dragons.
Nagkaroon ng
Pinahirapan mo pa.
konting kwento rito.
Pocketable, pero...
Okay pa. Ganda ng kalat. May hit a snag kung tumama yan sa 7. Uy, ganda ng kontra
Great shot.
Pectus.
Start them yan. Oh, cute, oh.
wow. That is adorable. So is that shot.
What a shot by Daddy.
Bet on it.
I doubt he will make a mistake here. Curious to see how he will prepare for the 8. What a draw.
Sinkitable. We'll see.
Here's the 9 for the round.
Yo!
What a shot.
What a shot under pressure for his first win.
Gulolo. For the shot. Okay.
This 9.
Oh my goodness. You've got to be kidding me. Aray ko. Aray ko, Lolo. Aray ko, Lolo.
That
Tapos na
is
po ang gabi.
going to be the dagger.
This could be the start that Parañaque is looking for.
Wala.
But the brakes are still dry.
Push out ang gagawin dito nitong si Jocaresa.
Pero yung push na ginawa dito, tinira ng Parañaque, papipinay, nag-side pocket.
Wala. Ano pa yan? Spadahan muna tayo dito. Gagamitin pantago, numero 4. Ang daming traffic na dadaanan doon.
Individually, di ba? Pero pagdating kinabukasan, kailangan makipag...
So he's gonna send the 1 ball up. Natablisan pa rito yung 9. Ganda naman
Tago
nun.
pa rin. Here we are. They'll go for a 2-rail shot to get the one going. Also, several tough shots that they made last night. Pinapasubukan sa kanila si Boss Hadley na mahirap na tira. Nung suot niya ang headgear niya,
Hindi pa
nagpintes.
pasok. Patuloy yung spadahan dito. Yung maganda na ng taguan dito sa likod ng 8 at saka ng 4.
Long range.
1 rail or 2 rail kick dito. Nako!
It's a miss. Total miss.
And again, great strategy by Rafael na ipasok ulit yung mainit.
Alam mo, lahat ng klaseng swerte na pupunta sa Parañaque, may isa na lang kulang yung break. And considering 18 racks sa gabi
Oo. Nice roll. Galing dito kay Jocaresa. Pabagsak na lang ito para kay Eji Geronimo. To get to the 4 ball para dito kay Jocaresa. Sa kanilang lineup, if you'll take a look at the other teams, oh wow, Mumugation. Pero pumasok yung 7.
Brown 7.
Meron ka pang Demosthenes Pulpol. At least 1 superstar. Yung Parañaque, if you're playing a team sport na lahat kayo of almost
Itong mesa na to. After 74 minutes of playing time.
Ito yata yung shooting guard nila
Na kanina may sinasabi si... Oh, the 9 ball is in!
What was that?
Mahal pa rin ng Pool Gods ang Parañaque Kings ngayong gabing ito.
He's the best defensive player on the best defensive team. But this time chooses to go offensive.
Yung quote-unquote pumapabor ang bola sa kanila. Most defensive-oriented team in this entire SBA, di ba? Magkadikit yung orange 5 tsaka green 6.
Pero dito, ayan, tulak
that is
lang yan.
still,
Actually, ito, papa-atrasin pangalan ng konti. It was that straight.
Romiel Morta and L.A. Garde. Pati na rin yung Garde. At ito si Greg Olongapo. Na parang may nire-request sa atin kanina na palitan daw natin.
Ewan ko.
Shoutout kay Professor Freeze.
He's a nice guy. Nasipa yung 9.
Namamasyal ang 9.
Wow, 1-9.
Pero lamang kayo ng sandamukal. Pwedeng maging agresibo. Yan ang gagawin ni Greg Olongapo. At tapos kagad ang storya ng rack number 11.
Sino yan? Si Kingpin.
Si Kingpin, baset mo kay Bat. Nag-comment na dito. Kayang-kaya pa raw yan.
By winning their 3rd rack.
For context, for additional context, well, wala pa tayong bro dito. Kukunin sa corner yung red 3. Pinasunod. Again, napag-usapan nga namin dati ni AJ dito.
Nako.
Pina.
Nice.
Got the angle. the first break and run out for tonight after 15 racks si Mark Lloyd San Pedro.
Kaya pala hindi pa natin nakikita makabalik si San Pedro. He's already been replaced. Ball made on the break. Once again, hindi kita si Uno.
They're gonna
Dapat
use that party over there. Contact after the 3 rails. Kailangan bumanda pa yun.
Oo.
Otherwise, that's gonna be a foul o 2
Two rails
rails.
na lang ginamit para sigurado may patama.
Oh, that's a good one.
First shot of the night for Dark Bonode.
Na kanina kaharap ang laptop kasi
Siya yung
may klase.
statistician.
Oo, statistician / estudyante.
Now he's jacking up. He wants this cue ball to stay right there.
It's gonna be quite distant though.
Yun lang.
In
What's
and
the
out.
backup plan? What's the backup plan? Pero you have to make sure that that one ball, ay ito, ginawa na lang, ginamit na lang
Ayun.
tres, mas madali. Saan nga lang sila magtatago?
Two rails, scratch.
Hirap talaga sa ganun eh. Likod ng 8 to.
Edgy Geronimo will use that party to cover that yellow one. RSO needs to decide and he needs to shoot.
Reset ang foul.
Mid-contact.
Reset ang foul. But, yan ang naging resulta.
They have this great opportunity to stop all of it and more importantly, to get at the hill.
Yun na nga eh.
Di na kailangan gawing komplikado tulad niyan. Ay, lumapit pa sa banda.
Nagtanggal na! Wala nang beast mode!
Pero kanina, kaya napakit ni Eric Navarrete yung bola kanina kasi wala yung headgear. Diba?
Finally on the hill na ang Parañaque.
For Quezon City, it's about finishing the job that Edgy
Oy.
Geronimo and Tristan Jacoreza started. Ruel Oway will try to finish what they have started tonight ni Romiles tsaka ni LA to.
Super draw.
Baka pwedeng kantahan mo pa tong Quezon City nang may kakalog pa dyan.
Eh yung number 1 sharker nila, nasa sahig ngayon eh.
Not a problem.
Kabusos
Baka-
ni Albert Espinola yun ah.
Pero yung dahilan nila, di naman kasi madadali extension sa next rack eh.
Oo.
Kaya nga naman, pagkasargo pa lang, may pumasok tapos sobrang kalat.
Ang ganda ng
Yan.
kalat talaga. Parang nakita mo pa lang sa kalat ng bola, spread out, break and run out. Uy, ay. Tatamaan ba niya yung 4? Hindi na, malinis.
Kung masunod nga ito, barring any untoward incidents. Nako, mauubos na raw, sabi ni Boss Hadley.
7 straight din.
Tantantining.
Oo.
7 straight. Ang naging tanong nga dito, pagdating sa dulo, sino tatapos ng trabaho na umpisa ng mga kakampi nila? At nag-uumpisa yung construction. Dinadala mo rin dito sa bilyar, no?
Eh, sana hindi.
Nung the first series of Quezon City na pag-usapan natin, na-sweep nga, naka-sweep nga ang Quezon City, pero sabi ng Parañaque, hindi, kami ang puputol sa panalo ninyo.
That is now a streak of 6 straight wins for the Quezon City Dragons.
Ruel Silang Omay, RSO. Here comes Ruel Omay.
The
Okay,
break.
successful break. Bigla na lang nalagay sa likod ng 7 ball itong Pato. So he pushed out.
This is supposed to be a makeable shot for the pros, but we've seen a lot of these missed. So sabi ni Garde, safety muna pero nakanti.
Uno or yung Pato pwedeng gamiting palayuin, pero ito ginamit na lang niya yung 9 and 8. Usually naman kasi pag start of the game ganun talaga, kapaan muna and then eventually sa kapag uminit, yun na, dediretso na.
So medyo semi-open tayo dito sa layout na ito para kay Ruel Omay, who will now choose to attack, and of course that 3 ball into the side.
So sa
Yun, dun
okay,
early
early
niya ginawa.
on he tried to
Ayun lang. Attack this.
I'd go medium speed on this,
Oo.
just like that.
Wanted to pot the 4 actually.
Yes, definitely. Passing the 6. Ooh, nako.
Medyo malamig pa. Pag na-shoot niya yan, AJ, bigyan mo na yan.
Nako, bigyan na ba natin? Okay, so you're for QC.
I'm for QC
I'll
ngayon.
go for, of course, Parañaque. Ooh! Ang ganda na sana ng landing.
Some kind of a reprieve as well para dito kay John L.A. Garde.
6 to the corner, side for the 7. Number 1 player ng
And it's also
CSMI.
interesting. So ngayon, pagpipilian niya kung sino yung mga players na pwede dito sa kanyang one-on-one. And he has selected L.A. Garde.
Ruel Omay now with the shot. Clear shot on the 1. Nice draw. Clearing the 6. Nicely done. Landing on the 2 ball. Ano dito? Nakaya naman. Meron naman siyang corner pocket. Mukhang makakalusot naman din sa may side pockets.
Alam mo ba yung last track nung nag-break
Aha.
ang
Yeah, same pocket for the orange 5. Pwede.
kabila na lang.
Oh, there you go. Nahatid para sa kabilang corner pocket. Very nice. Na wag sana tayo mapa-omay dito. Ayan.
Papumusta na rin kayo. Hindi
Yo.
na pwede kami lang may pusta rito sa mga malalaro natin. Oo.
Diba? May kargadong ano
Si
syempre.
AJ, ano na, 0-1
Pusta.
na sa akin ngayon season.
Pero 1-all na po tayo dito sa loob ng Sharks Arena.
Maybe attackable as a bank shot, but again, is there a benefit to doing that?
Well, it is attackable to the side pocket. Pero mukhang kaya naman niya if he force follows the cue ball, pero he doesn't feel like doing it. So instead, once again, trying to hide.
Of course, that did not happen to King of the Hill. Yung lahat ng safety attempts nila. Uy!
Whoa!
What a kick shot! Well executed by John L.A. Garde.
He got that on point. No direct pot on the 1 ball. Meron pala.
Meron. Sa top
pala.
angle lang natin kasi tinitignan.
Ayun. Happy viewing. Naku, wag lang malagay sa likod. So medyo sinuwerte ng konti.
Oh.
Clearing the
This
7.
There should be no
Very
problem
nice.
anymore. Nanonood na rin.
Is that on Facebook? Lalo na sa mga nanonood sa cable.
Tayong ongoing sa YouTube.
Facebook and YouTube for
Yan.
now.
Habang ginagawa niyan ni RSO,
Hindi ako mahilig sa sa suman pero
kasi
napahilig
matagal-
niya ako sa suman.
matagal din na. Uy! Hindi pa pumasok. May cover pa, no?
Nako, once again, yeah.
Yun talaga,
naman.
pag natikman mo yun, isang roll, mauubos mo. Nice contact!
Oh! Wow, speaking of rolls, what a roll from Omay making that ball into the side pocket. And hindi lang yun, meron siyang decent decent shot.
And he's up to break. Dito po sa ating rack number 15. So Parañaque going for back-to-back wins. And the 9-ball goes! First golden break of the week. At nakamit po yan itong si Ruel Omay, now making it 5 in a row for the Parañaque Kings. Taking the 1 ball aside.
Oh, then for the corner.
Di muna.
Oo.
Depensa muna.
So kahapon, 13-12.
13-11.
13-11. Na-stuck na sa 11. Okay.
He's aiming straight at the 1. Ilalabas. Yes.
Very nice. Yeah, sobrang nipis.
Yeah. So, saan babagsak? Lang, paanday, kita na sa side yan. May butas ba tong 6?
I think it does pass the 7. Okay,
Wala muna,
so
mamaya
still.
pa daw.
Yeah. Ingat lang sa 7. Ayun.
Oh, available pala.
Kuha. Very nice.
And ibabalik pa ba?
Okay.
Spadahan pa rin to. Op.
Kinakailangan ko na magsalamin.
Titignan ko lang kasi yung top view natin dito.
Not
Tatama
bad.
ba? Yes.
Not bad. Pero ito, kahit hindi na siya kumarga ng masyadong left hand,
This will take a while.
I told you.
Parang
Daming pwedeng pagtaguan.
Longest safety battle natin so far this season, if
For
I remember
tonight.
what Aris told me, was 9 shots each. Baka
10 minutes?
Baka ganun pa eh. He has to make contact with something. Okay, good shot.
Banayad na tira lang just to clear the 3 ball. Pero
Ayaw pa rin.
tinago niya. Yes, tinago nga niya.
Well, that's even a better idea.
Kahit hayaan lang na makita, wala nga lang madali. Pwede na. Oh!
The 7th ball.
Okay. Tatampalin niya to. Yan.
Might have
Sumobra nga
gone
lang.
over, yeah.
Lots of left-hand spin.
on the hill.
Pasunod na lang para sa DOS corner pocket. I'd say is the 4 to the 5. That's it. For the purple 4 para komportable ang kanyang pathway towards that orange 5 na dapat pamatay na yung pato dito. Yan, at pamatay na. Once it enters that window, dapat namatay na yung pace. Hatak na lang siya dito. Baka magkastorya pa sa brown 7. Avoiding contact, very nice. Right after this. Yes.
Sige na, sige na.
Pwedeng bounce ng konti. Yan. It's about to happen.
Ends with John L.A. Garde making it Hill versus Hill. One rack.
Let's
Ang
go.
layo pa nito. Ang layo pa.
Tama na. Yan ang huling extension niya dito. Hindi nga lang, teka lang.
That's the problem I was telling you about.
Hindi, dapat defensive kick shot to.
Tignan natin if he opts to go defensive behind the 7 ball. Offensive kick shot.
Off
Great shot.
off the 4. Wow. So making that 3 off a kick shot off the 4 ball, it's safe to say.
Sige.
Oh, di ba? Walang problema dyan. Ruel Omay, let's go. Tama na. Ande, he's bouncing forward para corner na lang yung 8. Okay. I love it. At naghahanda na ngayon si ang aking partner na si Noel Zarate. And there you have it, guys. He sinks the final ball. Roel Omay. Ngayon, tingnan natin kung yung init nasa kanila pa rin.
Oo.
Here comes Romail Morta alias Romelito, and he made the ball off the break this early. Bam, magandang sinergo dito.
Nanalo din sila. So that's 6 straight wins coming from the Quezon City Dragons na medyo napakawalan.
Romail Morta on the 2 ball.
Parang inilagay na mismo for their favor.
Rainiel Salinel na naghihintay ng pagkakataon. He's jacking up slightly. Ano kayang gagawin niya dito? Probably same pocket for the 7.
Most probably. Iyon na nga. When it comes to doubles, kasi hindi lang yung sarili mong tira yung iniisip mo. Pag umaga, pwede sila mag-practice amongst themselves. Ganili yung timpla ng isa't isa.
Final ball down, and there you have it. Yung kanyang sargo sa rack number 1.
Yun, may pumasok
I heard
doon,
something
AJ.
drop. Frozen tong Uno against the 3 ball eh.
Yun.
Good shot.
That's a
Okay,
good
so
shot.
ganun kalapit talaga. Pato sa may 4. Good speed.
Pwede pa rin.
Top spin, pwede, bouncing forward.
Exactly what he
Ayan.
did there.
Pero Doc, I bet kung sakaling napasok ni Mark San Pedro yung 5 dun sa side pocket. 6 to the 9. Okay, he's digging down. Yun. He wasn't
Kung nakita
sure.
niya na hindi sigurado, umangat uli siya. Napaka-importante nung trait na yun, guys, to develop.
Medyo may kalayuan. Walang problema.
Baliwala.
Okay.
Para
Si
sa akin,
Baset,
team.
sa pagkakilala ko dito, napakatapang ng personality
Yes.
nito ni Baset. Talagang hindi papayag tong nasa huli.
And, AJ, that was the 5 ball yet again. Si Mark Lloyd San Pedro, sabi niya, kami naman na nabigyan ng oportunidad ngayon for this one.
Oh! Sa wakas, finally! Paranaque Kings, nakaisa na rin. Leo Careza now. Coming from the side rail, short rail. Side rail, short rail. Contact on the 3.
Good hit right there.
Teka
Yun na
lang. Nako. So there's a gap between the 3 and 9 at tatamaan ni Areso dapat sa right
At
side
wala
of
na siya
the
nga pala
3.
silang extension dito, kaya kailangan he needs to hit this.
Yes, they need to act fast.
There you go.
Oh, okay. Uh-oh, hang on. Okay,
Okay
pinakabahan
pa rin.
tayo. Kinabahan
Muntik
ako
pa.
para sa Paranaque.
Grabe yun, muntik pa.
Cue ball safety near the 8. There you go. Kinulang nga lang sa speed. Sayang.
Automatic naman ang punta dun sa 7 nung puti kapag
Yes.
ka tinamaan ng tama tong 6. There you
Look
go.
at that.
Tingnan mo naman.
Wow.
Perfect view from our cameraman.
Paranaque now 3 balls. Make that 2 balls away
Yeah.
now to further stop the bleeding.
Yes. Napapapalakpak na dito ang koponan ng Paranaque. 4-1 run ang ginagawa dito. May buntis dito.
Yeah, it's either they settle for short side on the 3. Oh, check this
Look at
out!
this. Wow.
Oh!
They didn't intend for that pero Thank you pa rin, sabi ni Reyes Salinel, nakisama ang 9 dito.
And setting up a possible karambola sa 9.
Na,
Possible karom.
magtiti-reach dito si Kingpin.
Ay, ay, ay.
Successful on that try, AJ.
11 games now at mukhang hindi na ata matitigil. Pwede niyang ibalik yung pato dito sa areang to.
Sa area,
kung
yes.
gusto niya. Magamit pa rin tong 3 bolang to. Ah, okay. So he went the other way.
Pumasok ka.
Wow, okay.
At pumabor pa yung prepare sa size, AJ.
Yun na nga eh. Pero
Grabe naman
definitely, I
yun.
think he wasn't expecting that result na
Yes.
pumasok sa may side pocket.
Na nabigyan niya ng pagkakataon dito ang Paranaque for that 7 twin. Napigilan ako doon. Nakala ko papasok ang 9.
Roel Omay also
Yes.
with winning karambola. Ayan. And
Wow,
speaking of,
another abbreviated rap na nasa hill na bigla.
so we've got Captain Rodrigo Geronimo with that break na munti ka ng uno.
Una, nagkaroon siya ng problema doon sa mga 5 ball nga natin to start
Yeah.
the night. Na hindi napabura ng kanyang team.
There was one time na si Mark Lloyd San Pedro na naging MVP. Yung
Oo.
dating niya is 100% sa nakikita natin because
Oo.
of that mishaps on the 5. Look at that
Pero
right
yun
there.
naman.
At si Romeo, sabi dito, suki ng SBA gabi-gabi si Miss Priquita Rosales. Shout out sa mga Mindoreños.
Yun.
Mr. Junjun Villeza, ganun po talaga. Siyempre, mga sponsors po namin yan. It's not possible na makakapanood po tayo ng
Yes.
libre sa Facebook if it's not for them. Pero since may angle nga,
Pinaikot na.
to control the cue ball para sa 8. Just like that.
Yun na. Para hindi pa matapos ang gabi para sa kanila, AJ.
That's right.
There you go. 9 ball down for the Kings.
They want to take this till the very end talaga. Hill dito. Katulad ng sinabi natin or discuss
Oo.
natin kanina, dito pa lang kailangan hindi na sila magkamali.
Ayun na
At
nga.
swertehin din, syempre. Baka may chance eh. He's double checking whether kaya.
There you go.
Oh my! Mokay Bat finishing the rack and finishing the night. On is QC Dragons. Tuesday, Wednesday was won by Paranaque
Back
Kings.
to back, yes.
Yeah, and then nung kagabi, whoa, that was very quick, Doc. Okay.
Nagkikwentuhan lang tayo doon. Biglang pinakitaan tayo ng isang golden break.
Grabe
Ito ni Mark
naman.
Pateros. At napaupo agad itong si Kapitan AJ Geronimo
Nako,
for the Quezon City Dragons.
Hindi naman natin nasilayan si Kapitan Edgy
Oo.
sa kanyang performance sana. Golden break
Oo.
agad. Friedman is watching right now.
Yun.
Cliff, if you're watching, happy viewing.
Happy viewing over there, Cliff.
Anyway, that was a nice positional play getting to that blue 2. Clearing the 7, syempre. Tristan De Ocareza, I think, if not, baka the youngest.
Among these Dragons.
Yes. Ang pangalang Tristan De Ocareza, meron talagang future to eh.
Yes.
Then JR magbantay.
There you go.
Alright. Will it be Paranaque or will it be QC? So stay with us guys ha, wag po kayong bibitaw.
9 ball.
Oh, look at this.
There you
Oh
go.
my! And again, to that same corner pocket, pumasok ang 9 ball.
There you go.
Another golden break. Grabe.
This time for the
QC
Quezon City
Dragons.
Dragons naman ang nabigyan doon ng golden break courtesy of the Kingpin. Baset mo kay Bat. Dati
Dapat
Mr. Esto-Es lang to ngayon. Mr. King of the Hill.
Nako naman. Okay, 8 ball down. And look at this, a shot on the 1 ball. They've got 1 golden break each team.
Yes.
So, ano pa bang tie? Tied din tayo sa weekly standings
Yun.
natin. So, we've got Baseth now. Forward. Okay. Nice bounce. Alright. Kailangan pa ata mag-bounce. Ay, hindi na. Hindi. Ayun, okay. Forward pala. He just needs to mind the speed. Okay. Tinong pagkakataon.
Baka nagsasunbaiting dito si
Oo nga.
RSO sa pormahan niya.
Bigyan nyo nga ng dyaryo muna si RSO. Hindi na papaliwin tong patong to. So hindi natin makikita si RSO dito ngayon.
Yeah.
To wait for another turn because Baseth now gives 4 games para sa QC Dragon. May lumalaki ng chance na makita yung object ball in play. Tingnan natin dito. Whoa! Okay, so he had enough to make it,
Oo.
but
Yeah, yun nga. May bat eh.
so he opted to just attack the 2 ball. Tapos kumbaga, sige, bahala na.
Yung,
Sana
oo.
makita na lang yung 3. Pero unfortunately, yun na nga, it's being blocked by the 6. Whoa! Okay.
Parang gatuldok nung 9 eh nakaharang dun sa 8 pero parang diretso lang ang tira dito AJ ni Baseth. Mukhang may nasilip siya doon na patamaang maganda.
He can go for a crossbank dito sa kabilang corner pocket. Tingnan natin.
There you go.
Went for the
There you
cross.
go.
Oh my ay. And check this out, Doc. If he makes this, I'm gonna throw this microphone out of this booth. I'm done with this.
And the jubilation nagsisimula dito sa Quezon City Dragons.
3 to the 4 with some inside spin.
Ito sumisipag na naman dito yung mga
Oh.
bumubuo ng construction.
Takbo ng pato.
5 ball, sakto to AJ. Barring any unforeseen circumstances.
Bigyan mo na, Doc. Ikaw naman ang bibigay. Forward.
There you
Yun.
go.
Tapos kailangan lang
Sa
mag-clear
baba.
yung 9.
Yes. Oh, yung
Very
8 sa baba.
nice. To give hope naman dito sa Parañaque. Ruel Omay puts it away and of course pinaupo na rin si Baseth Bukaybat. He's got an open shot. With the way he's skewing, mukhang walang problema.
May espasyo pa ng konti from that 8. There you go.
Enough to make it. Look at this. Nicely done. Very good. With check side English. Lots of spin. Nicely done. Once again, lots of check side. Lots of inside spin. Ayan, kita natin doon. No? Ganda naman ang ina-apply dito ni Romael so far. Just enough to clear the 9. Tapos, ayan. Side rail, bounce na lang to. Just like that. It started with Baseth Mukaybat,
7 straight.
7 straight, and Romel Morta with his potential
Third
third.
straight.
Pang-warning na nila to.
Yes,
To get
sir.
11 games, Romel Morta on the 9. And he drops it.
Warning na nga dito ang Quezon City Dragons.
Bakit? Ingat lang syempre dahil tatakbo yung pamato dito.
Meron dong, nakita mo yan AJ, may humaplos dun sa ulo. Ni Eric
Humaplos?
Navarrete.
Aba.
Yung ginagawa niyang genie.
Ayun,
Ayan o. Ginagawa nilang genie. Itong si Eric Navarrete na baka ma-jinx pa. Itong si Kapitan Eji.
Nagsasamon ng swerte.
Oy!
Nako, yun na nga.
Uy,
Effective
ayun na
yun.
nga.
Nako, effective naman yun.
Grabe naman.
Well, we've got Eric Navarrete with a free throw
Yes.
to get to the hill. Hang on.
Diba?
Di
Yung
pala.
Pakanyake
To
dito.
get 6 games.
Yes,
Yeah, to get
oo.
6 games.
Back-to-back wins dito ang ginawa ni Eric Navarrete courtesy of that unforced error ng ating birthday boy na si Ejiro. At ito na, lahat
Ayan
na sila
na.
ay humaplos sa mayuwagang bunbunan ni
Bumbunan.
Eric Navarrete.
Buhay pa rin ang Parañaque Kings and pati yung hopes nila to actually go for their first weekly series win.
Oo.
Okay,
No,
went for the
Ruel
safety.
Omay, sorry. That ang naka-break kay Baseth Mukaybat.
Sabi ni Kelvin dito, sabi nga it's not how you start, it's how you finish.
Yes. Tama yun. Good hit on the 1. Naka-break lang ng bahagya
Okay,
doon.
nice. Kailangan niyang madala sa 11 all
Yes.
bago siya umupo.
Mm.
Yun.
After this day, guys, magpapahing muna ang ating mga players and ang ating team dito sa SBN. We'll be back January 5th of 2026.
So we've got an exposed one ball now. Side pocket for that blue. Cue ball gets nice. Okay, nice.
There you go. Using the 3 ball.
Tina-timing talaga.
Yung pokpok no?
Look at that right there. Cue ball nicely parked behind the
Yes.
7. Right between. May window pala.
Yan,
6 and
tinitira niya
4.
ngayon.
Oh, may window
There you
pala.
go.
And he makes it.
Ayun na naman ha, binibigyan na naman tayo ng mga pang-release dito
Oh.
ni Kingpin.
Or is he attacking? Okay, nilagay nga niya doon.
Doon sa likod ng 6 ito. There you go.
Ruel.
Omay, nakapigil sa kanya.
Lagi ko na ano silang dalawa, Ruel tsaka
Oh,
Romel.
look at that shot from Navarrete.
Good shot
Pang may
sana.
pasok doon ng 3. 10 seconds na lang to. Wala na silang extension. Wala na siyang umupensa dito.
Una banda pala.
Yes.
Ayan.
Mas pumabor pa.
Oo, parang nga
Very
doon sa corner
nice.
pocket. He needs to get to that orange 5, avoiding the side pocket, of course. Okay. Yun na nga.
There you go. Yun na nga
Yun na
ginawa
nga.
dito. At yung mga tira,
That's
mas
right.
gusto nila yung nakakabuo sila ng angulo para mas madali ang parating dun sa mga susunod na bola.
Mukaybat, a good chance na makabalik sa mesa. And he could potentially end this race to 13 by himself.
Yun na nga.
Pwede naman mangyari yan.
There
Pero
you go.
hindi pa tayo tiyak, guys. Kaya laban lang tayo, laban lang.
And the Kingpin seals the deal dito. Napaupo dito si Eric Navarrete. Ang ganda ng ngiti ni Gardy dito. Abutenga.
Oh! Uh-oh, here we go.
Gusto din.
Sturin.
Oh, what a shot there. From RSO. Napanipisan ng gusto doon. At ang ganda. There you go.
Okay, looking good. Isa sa mga nag-perform din tonight, itong si Ruel.
Yun na nga. Nagsilbing pamatay sunog sa mga takbo. There you go.
Alright. Depende na lang talaga dito kay Ruel Omay.
But look at the white though.
Gaganda ba? Papabor ba?
At the
Nako.
white ball.
Wala eh.
Using
Oh,
those
look at this.
clusters.
Look
Look
at
in those clusters.
Napanipis. And again. Okay, with some outside spin. Okay, this is looking good. 8 ang magagamit.
Mukhang hindi na naman.
Again. O, diba?
Sa Sharks Billiards Arena and Sports Bar.
Goes to show he's enjoying the action inside the
Yes.
arena. Una banda.
There you go.
Whoa! As well as the year.
Oh!
Buti hindi ko pinatawan.
Oh, yes. Nang
Nako.
resolve dito ni Omay at ng Paranaque Kings. There you go.
Okay. Nice.
There you
They
go.
controlled cue ball a week earlier. Pati na rin sa week na to. At siya na rin siguro ang magiging chance para sa Paranaque na ma-force itong game na to into a heel-heel match.
Nabigyan ng mumugation doon. Pabor sa kanyang team. Sa kanyang tira sa uno. And RSO with the prime opportunity.
The 11-4 scoreline.
Oo.
And now we are about to get heel-heel.
Mas maganda yan guys kung nanonood kayo dito live.
That's right. At kung may karga.
Yun.
So, yung latest inning ni Omay, that's from
7.
7. Wow. Uh-oh. Hang on.
Aha.
I think he's still fine.
Kaya pa rin yan.
Maghihil-hil pa tayo dito. Wow, okay. Kain sa kabila.
Sa kabila?
Sa Quezon City. Ha? This guy is the MVP of Paranaque.
It is only fitting to end the 2025 edition of your SBA with the Hil-Hil. Mainit. Si
Game
Roel
face.
Omay.
Game face ngayon si Ruel Omay.
Tingin ko dito,
Unfortunately, nothing
tingin ko
down.
kahit anong klaseng distraction mula dun sa kanina, hindi na binapansin.
Wala na.
Oo.
The
They-
last man for Quezon City.
They had 5 chances overall. to end the night.
This is the final rack of the year for SBA, guys. And I hope you are enjoying the action tonight.
As much as we are enjoying it,
Yes, we are
bringing it to
indeed
you guys.
enjoying this. Sion Disease, I love it.
I love it.
Decision.
Ano?
Ayun. Yung full potential ng mga players natin dito.
It's a good hit on that one ball.
Uy,
Opting
uy.
to make the one.
Uy,
Muntik
ay,
pa.
ay.
I think he's opting for an intentional foul dito, AJ.
Intentional foul. The shot on the one ball and to potentially break that 4 and 2. Pero hindi.
Yeah.
Slowly na itatapat niya tong pato sa 2. Pero yun na nga. Naku,
Naghiwalay na.
5 ang ginagamit niya dito.
And
Wow,
he is
that's very
successful on
ballsy.
that one.
Oh my. Very nice.
Nilapit
Very
ulit
nice.
doon. Baka
Ayun.
lumagpas pa.
Lumagpas pa,
Oo.
pwede pa.
Ito na talaga yun.
Yes.
This is really is it. Ika nga.
Nako, yun
That's a
na nga.
good hit there sa loob ng kwarto
Laking panghihinayang din syempre
sa Quezon City. There you
Getting
go.
behind the red 3.
Ang panig itong labanan nila this week.
That's right. Sabi naman ni Dongski Ramonal, RSO, Paranaque Kings, bukas na tayo manigas.
Yun.
Atin na to. O manipis ba ang silip dito sa dos? He's got enough.
Abay, baka yung gloves ito ni Omay
Basang-basa na.
basang-basa na. Pwede nang pigain mamaya yan.
Tama ka dyan. Nako, oh no. Pwede pa din. He's got at least an inch and a half between the cue ball and the 4.
There you go.
Oh! Oh my! Minsan yung ganung kalapit nakakaduling din.
Yes.
Wow, look at that shot
There
right
it
there
is.
from Tristan. Pero mukhang ito na yung reprieve ng
Ay, babawi niya
Paranaque
dito.
Kings. Yes, he's
For the
feeling
eight.
it right
Yeah.
now.
Kita mo yung facial expression doon ni Tantan Tining.
Ang tanging pag-asa ng Paranaque ay
There you go.
Uy,
Napaikot
ng
pa
QC
doon.
pala. Control to, pero
Yes.
kung medyo kinakabahan siya, I'd prefer na pabalikin
Yan
na lang
na nga.
niya.
There you go. Kumanta pa.
Final ball of this year. There you have it, guys. Eto na, tinuldukan na ni Tristan Dio Careza. Sayang para sa Paranaque, Doc. Nako naman.